Okay guys, so we've just moved into our new apartment. It's like a new building of the same place, but these are all the new renovated ones. So I'm just going to do a quick little walking tour of what this place looks like with all of its new features and new appliances and all of those things. An empty apartment tour before I do a filled one later. Okay, so you repainted all the doors. This like, I'm going to show my neighbors real quick. Like green, and they used to be white, and then all the flooring is let me open that light, is this lamp, what is it called, babe? LVT?
Yep.
It's called LVT. I'm not really, it's just like a waterproof version of laminate. It's kind of a grayish brown tone, which we really like. And then I don't know if you can tell, some of our stuff is being moved in, so this is mostly empty, but it's like a light gray on the wall instead of a white. You can see the contrast between the baseboards, which are painted white, in the wall. So I really, really love, because this was carpet in the old unit. And the walls were like, blech, white. Another thing is they have recessed lighting right here, which in our place there was like a big pot light that would make it so this door, which is like the air conditioning unit and thing right there, there's the filter, which made it impossible to open up all the way, which was just ridiculously dumb. And all the light fixtures are new in here as well. So that's a big coat closet that's super dark, but it's really big. Some of our coats are already in there, and that's almost like a bug out thing. So if like a really bad hurricane or something happens around here, because we are in Charleston and it produces tornadoes or something, that's the safest place that we could be in our house. Okay, bathroom. Downstairs bathroom is a half bath. So the countertops in here, they kept the same as the other place, which I'm not crazy about. But new sink, new faucet, everything's chrome instead of that like horrible brass color. Oh hi, I'm looking dreadful today because it's moving day. And then that's like a chrome color new vanity lights, but the refacing they did, they basically kept the old boxes for all of the cabinets in the bathrooms and the kitchen, and then they just gel stained them, and then they bought new faces and gel stained those and had everything matched, and then you like chrome pulleys, which I really like. And then just, you know, everything's white on the inside, but else. And the toilets there, new toilets, which is always good. New appliances in a place is always helpful. And all the walls are that kind of like cloudy gray color. This is the eating kitchen. And all of the, let's see if I can show you guys here. This kitchen is amazing, but that's ours. It comes with the kind of standard pantry. All of these, like this doorknob is like more of like a brushed nickel. They were all like that horrible, super shiny, like 80s brass before. So even those they paid attention to. They had these guys come into our place like months ago and take a look at the place. And one guy definitely seemed like a designer. So I think he was looking at all the old units and figuring out what to do. And all the blinds are that kind of, they're still plastic, but they're kind of like that wood grain looking plastic. So they're not your standard blinds anymore. And then I don't know if this is gonna be super bright, but that's the new lighting up here with these little neat like brushed nickel accents. It's actually pretty cool. And this is the thing I'm most excited about. I'm gonna get a little bit more light in here, is how freaking good the cabinets look. Because our old place, they were white and ugly, and the countertops were the same ones in the bathrooms. And see, everything matches now. Always look the same, it looks so good. And these are granite countertops. I'm super excited. These look so good. and the hood is dark, and that neat little, I don't know, backsplash thing in here. I mean, it's kind of standard, but it's a splash, and I like that, so nothing goes in the back. And all of these, I mean, I wish it was a glass cooktop, but you know, I rent the place, so that's okay. And everything's black, and they're brand new appliances, which is so awesome. And the sink is the same, but then the faucets are all really, really pretty. And that, so you can see that better. I'm so excited. This is the best thing about this whole thing, is the new kitchen. This is the laundry room, and again, like, I don't even know if you can see it. This like new, all the new light fixtures. And then there's nothing in here. The only bad thing about this place, that's the washer dryer hookup, and that's the water heater and everything. So we have a washer dryer. The only bad thing is that there's no more across the top there. Our neighbor had put in, well, not our neighbor, the tenant before us had put in like a tension rod, but we actually have something like a garment rack laundry hamper thing that we're going to move from our bedroom, because we're tired of looking at laundry in our bedroom, and we're going to move it down here, like to this area, so that'll be the place where we can hang up that stuff. And then I'm going to go back again, where these new doors, the new locks. The back doors were also painted that green color. And then back here, you know, our little privacy fence and stuff. And this is like one of the best things I love about this place. We have a nice little light there, which is kind of pretty. Is that there's woods back here and not people. I mean, granted, there's other apartment complexes down the way, but we don't have an immediately neighbors right there. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Say something. Why are you looking at me all weird? Okay. And so it's going upstairs now. And all the carpet, I do appreciate carpet upstairs and on stairs, because we have a dog and she can scratch the hell out of wood stairs and bust her butt on it. So these are all like brand new carpet, which is really super nice. Again, all the doorknobs are new. This is our linen closet. That's pretty standard. This is going to be, again, just like our other place. Again, there's matching. See, everything matches. I love it. All the matching blinds. This is going to be, again, the office. And again, that like light gray wall space. And these will be Sean's, my husband's closets. So they're missing a closet rod in here. They're actually, when we did the walkthrough, they're like, okay, we got to put those in. So you can put that in the closet rod. And then put it in here. And he's probably going to take my shoe cabinet things. So you can put his shoes in them. Because he doesn't have built-ins anymore. That's the only bad thing, is like in our place before, the person who lived there before, because these are all the same like layout, it's just, you know, the renovated versus us living in the non-renovated, had put in shelves, and he was using the shelves for all of his shoes. So now he's going to take my shoe cabinets because I have something else. Okay, so upstairs bathroom, it's full bath, and again, new cabinet, new faucet, that matching light fixture, new toilet. Oh, that one's new. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. So I wish they could have done the granite here. But new pulleys, they actually like, they were down there, so they have to come in and patch those up because they moved them. So yeah, but that's kind of the same shower, but still looks good. And this is our master bedroom. Brand new fan. It's really nice looking. It's like wood. We have a pretty tree outside our place, which is nice. And then we have this really big wide closet. This is my closet, just like before, except what's different about here than it was in the other place is that it's got this thing built in that the last tenants built in here. So I'm going to be putting my shoes and accessories and purses and stuff on here, and I'm going to let my husband take my 2 stackable shoe racks, because now I don't need them, and he can take them. So, hope you guys liked seeing everything. Thanks for walking in with me and everything. This is also good for insurance reasons too. You want to get a video of what everything looks like. So if there's ever any issues on your paperwork when you move out and you're like, oh, this was messed up, then like, no it wasn't. You can be like, yes it is. So thanks so much you guys for walking with me through this little walking tour, and I'll be sure to give you guys an updated tour when we get everything moved in and organized and stuff. Bye!